Hey sales experts! Today, we're going to be going through mastering the art of persuasion and vital techniques for boosting customer sales. In this video, we're going to be discussing various strategies and tactics that you can use to influence customers and increase sales for your business. First, let's talk about the psychology of persuasion. People make purchasing decisions based on a variety of factors, including emotions, logic, and past experiences. Understanding how your customers think and what motivates them is key to being able to persuade them to make a purchase. This is why asking questions are so essential. Questions paint the picture to what a customer is like and what drives their decision-making, and in turn allows us to influence. One effective technique for persuasion is the use of storytelling. People are naturally drawn to stories, and by weaving a narrative into your sales pitch, you can tap into that natural inclination and make a deeper connection with your customers. For example, you could tell the story of how your product or service helped another customer solve a problem or achieve a goal. This brings power and credibility to our pitch as well. Another tactic to consider is the use of social proof. This is the idea that people are more likely to take a certain action if they see others doing it. For example, if you can show that many other people have already purchased your product or service, potential customers will be more likely to do so as well. Demonstrate this in your pitch by positioning it like, "The previous customers have acted in this manner," or "Previous customers have said the same thing." By the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, you should strongly consider it. Another technique is the use of scarcity. If a customer believes that your product or service is in limited supply, they may be more likely to make a purchase. So, you can use scarcity by creating a sense of urgency, such as by offering a limited time promotion or by highlighting that there are only a few units left in stock. It's also important to build trust. Building trust with your customers is essential if you want to be successful in persuading them to make a purchase. You can build trust by being transparent, providing valuable information, and by going above and beyond to meet their needs. Finally, it's important to use the right language when persuading customers. The words you use can have a big impact on how customers perceive your product or service. Use words that evoke positive emotions, such as exciting or innovative, rather than neutral or negative words. Also, avoid using jargon or technical terms that your customers may not understand. Stop and remember this vital element of sales and why speaking is better than emailing in general. When we speak or call, we then have the power to make the customer choose what we want them to think through the way we speak and the tonality we use. Compared to emailing, this will be read and interpreted how the customer chooses to read and interpret it. We lose the power. To conclude, persuasion is a powerful tool that can help you boost sales. By understanding the psychology of persuasion and using techniques such as storytelling, social proof, scarcity, trust, and language, you can effectively influence your customers and make more sales.